Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in the MySQL. Okay. So now already I have a schema name called self-line. Inside the schema, I'm going to create a table. So the basic thing is to create a table, we need a schema. Okay. Without schema, we cannot create. So under schema, we can have multiple tables. So when you expand the schema, okay. But before that, see, I'm using MySQL Workbench as IDE. Okay, so if you have a workbench, then this is the view for you to create a table. When you expand your schema, you can see something called tables. Right click on that, you can find an option called create table. Choose that. The top first one, you can see table name. You can mention a table name. I'm going to give my table name as TBL employee. Any name you can give, okay. Let's create a very simple and easy thing, okay. I'm going to create column name called, in the below you can choose a column name. See, it's the heading column name, its type, then primary cannot null. So this area I will explain bit deeper in upcoming videos. Now let's create a simple columns, okay. First name, it will be varchar 45. Okay, varchar means it will allow the integers, so sorry, string, alphanumeric. First name, then last name the same. First name should have always value, second last name can be optional. Then age will be in the integer, it will allow only numbers, and it should always have value. Okay, so I choose the not null. Once you define all the columns, okay, you can right side you can see the button called apply. You can click the apply. When you click the apply, you can see the script is created for the table. Okay, either you can save the script if it is required for you, or you can simply click the apply button. See, successful. Finish it. See, at the left side you can see the table, now table name. If not, what you can do, you can right click on table and you can choose refresh all. You can see the table now. Let's close this current window. Okay, now let's open a new SQL window. I will zoom a little bit. Now I will type select star from TBL employee. Okay, this is our table name which we created. See, now our table is ready. You can expand and see the columns, indexes, triggers, everything, foreign key, everything you can see. Ultimately the table property. Okay, now let's see how to add one more column. Okay, after we made the table, now I have the table 3 columns. Now I want to add one more column. See, in the workbench you can see a settings icon. When you hover the table name, okay, click that, it will open. Okay, now I'm going to choose date of birth, DOB, date, apply. See, now it will show the alter, it won't show us create. Okay, you click apply, finish, close the window. Now you hit the button. See, now I can see first name, last name, age, date of birth. The column which we created recently also reflected here. You can expand this. See, it is here. So in this way we can able to create a simple table. This is a procedure you have to follow to create a table. Okay, so thank you for watching my video friends. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you friends, bye.